Hey, this is Hans from welcome to my channel, and this time we got a new cube and it's been a while. We're gonna open this new cube just arrived from Temu. Imagine Temu. I've seen this one in a lower price, and yeah, it's of course not the top of the line, but this is the Monster Go magnetic 3x3. There you go. So let's start. Yeah, I remember I saw this one 2 years back, I believe, checking out some cubes in Speed Cube shop. Of course, the prices of this is it's a bit high, but still a kind of cheaper brand. But we consider this one as a good cube as well, a good speed cube. Right now, let's open up. Oh, interesting. There you go. There is a plastic on it. Right. Great. Nothing is there, even pamphlet or any instructional materials. Yeah, it's quite awesome. No, let's see. It's quite straightforward. It's just barely box and along with the cube with the plastic. Okay, so right there you go, Monster Go. Right, and I'm very excited to try my first turn over here. Oh, it's literally close. Yeah, it's kind of airtight. Let's just break it. The plastic. Alright. Oh, come on. I'm very excited to touch and feel this cube, and this time you're giving me a hard time to open the plastic. There you go. It's open. Wow. Look at that feel. It's so light. And yeah, it's kind of matte finish, but it's so smooth, and medium magnet is medium, and it's quite snappy. Yep, you can hear that one. Oops, it's even sliding in my hand. Right. Oh, right, there you go. So it's beautiful indeed. Corner cutting is, it's okay. Yeah, the reverse is a bit difficult in the right, but overall I love it. Right, so let's have our first solve for this. All right, there you go. And actually it's a bit slippery in my hand. Yeah, and I think I need to tighten up this one because it's really uncontrollable, to tell you frankly. Yeah, and so fast, actually, so fast indeed. Yes, yeah, so fast. It is literally so fast, so I have to set this tension. And okay, it's quite straightforward. It's only we need to have is to screw this one up, right? No other kind of mechanism, but it was so nice. Great, so there you go. It's been a while. Just had a new cube once again for a quite long time, but even it's not premier cube, I'm still happy to have it. Yes, please, this is Monster Go. Right, bye bye for now. God bless you all.